Stop drawing, start explaining. AI Line Studios generates cloud and system diagrams instantly. Clear, structured, production ready.
Hello everyone, welcome to Airline Studio tutorial 105, and today's topic is how to generate a Terraform diagram in Airline Studio. So after successfully registering on the platform, the next page you would be redirected to is the workspace page. Over there you need to select the cloud architecture feature. In this you need to go and select the system architecture, because in Airline Studio we use system architectures to generate Terraform architecture diagrams as well. Here we need to add a name. So I'm writing TF diagram 105 and click on continue. Now over here you can see that Airline Studio is there, and in the input box you need to put up your use case, and when you click on the generate button then the diagram gets generated. Then if you want to add a note you can do it from here. If you want to add icons you can do it from here. If you want to zoom in and zoom out the diagram you can do it from here. If you want to fit it you can do it from here. If you want to reset the complete canvas you can do it from here, and these are the CAD credits which shows you how many credits are left for generating the diagram. Here this is the animation panel and this is the export button. So I'm putting up my use case over here, which is a very simple infrastructure diagram in which we just need to create all the connections and dependencies. So I'll simply click on generate, and in next 15 to 20 seconds diagram would be there on our screen. So this is how the Terraform complete diagram looks. So in 15 to 20 seconds, this diagram got generated, that to enterprise level. This makes it very easy to visualize infrastructure defined in code without building everything manually. So